Hey guys, it's Mike, and it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Barranquilla. You can see the sky above me is beautiful, crystal blue. Temperature is around 30 degrees. It's stunning. Guys, as you can see, I am out and about. That's today's expression, out and about. When you're out and about, it simply means that you're out on the street, you're meeting people, you have a destination in mind. You could be running errands. Or you could just be out for a leisurely stroll like I am today. Again, out and about. Guys, if you like these videos, as always, click that button right there. And, no, wait a minute. I think it's that button right there. One of those. Click one of those, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. And as always, have a fantastic day.